Nasimulan ko yung revamp me kaso hindi ko natapos. Hindi daw siya nakasabay sa homeworks. Hi, Mary here. And everyday nagpo-post ako ng bagong videos na pwede niyong sundan na some sort of roadmap. Kung gusto niyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto niyo na mag-work from home gamit ng computer at internet. Yung revamp na sinasabi niya, ito yung free training namin. Pero may refundable registration fee na 399 pesos. And makukuha mo lang yung refund kapag perfect ang attendance mo at nakapag-submit ka ng homework. However, not many people realize this yet, but we actually push our mentees na tapusin. So, kagaya ni Joy. Hindi ko na naman may pangalan mo pa, hindi ko maimek. Sorry na. Sabi ni Joylet, hindi daw niya natapos yung training. And normally, after each training, mag-i-email si admins, sabihin nila, hi, nakita ko na hindi mo natapos. Do you want to join the next batch? Ganyan, mag-check sila. Kasi you have the opportunity to attend the same training, yung sa next session. Tapos pwede mo habulin, gawa ka ng homework ulit, gawa ka ulit ng perfect attendance, tapos makukuha mo ulit yung refund plus yung certification kapag ka nakumpleto mo na yung final activity at mock interview. Ang Revamp Basic Work From Home Training Program namin, it's dedicated to those who are not yet sure if freelancing is for them. Because ang commitment mo dito is MWF, mga 6 to 8 sessions siya, 2 hours lang yung session between 6 till 8 p.m. So, minatch talaga namin na pasok sa schedule ng may corporate at saka pasok din sa schedule ng mga bayaning puyat, yung mga nasa call center. Pagkatapos dito, magkakaroon ka ng idea, ang tawag namin dito, ito yung level 1. Ano nga ba yung ginagawa ng ganitong role, ano yung usual na setup, ano yung usual na tools. Bibigyan namin kayo ng information ng lahat ng basic ng trainings namin. So, mamimit niyo yung iba't ibang mentors. Every session may ibang mentor na magtuturo sa inyo. Ipapakita lang nila sa inyo yung system. And very basic, but at the same time, magkakaroon na kayo ng idea. Tsaka mararamdaman nyo na siya, parang sa akin ba tong niche na to? Ganon. Ito yung libre namin dati. The problem nga is, ang daming, pag sinabi mo kasing libre, yung mga tao, syempre, sign up yan. Tapos mag-upgrade kami ng Zoom namin to 500 people. Tapos biglang paunti ng paunti yung tao na-attend because, not that they're losing interest, but it's they don't have anything to lose. And the problem with that is, yung commitment ng tao, hindi na natitest. So, kaya ngayon, meron na siyang refundable registration fee. At, kumbaga, I know that for some people, 399 lang naman yun, ano naman kung mawala. Pero, marami pa rin kasi yung, alam mo yung manghihinayang ka na sinimulan mo na, nagbayad kang 399. Pagkatapos nag-commit ka ng ilang araw, alam mo yung mararamdaman mo sa sarili mo na meron kang hindi natatapos. And feeling ko, ayan na nga. Kagaya, di ba, Joy? Alam mo yung, dadating ka sa point na mapapaisip ka na, what if i-take ulit? That's why pwede kang umattend sa kahit na aling sessions or trainings in the future kapag ka meron na ulit revamp. Na walang revamp ng September. October na yung next na revamp class namin. And if you guys want to join, click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. Instagram naman, i-click nyo lang to. Facebook naman, i-chat nyo lang yung caption. Ganon din sa YouTube, i-chat nyo lang yung description box. You will then be taken to this page. Eto siya, revamp. Medyo maliit lang. Work from home training program, RRF, 399 pesos. Guys, marami kayong makikita dyan na nag-o-offer ng free training but you won't see anyone else offering the same trainings that we have because we're here to help you out up until the end. Kahit pa yung libreng version yan. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!